Right, this morning I woke up to the cicada infestation. There's a lot of holes in the ground. They're boring a hole and coming out from the ground like here, and they're moving out and keep on moving from the ground. Then they're coming out of their shells. See, like this one is struggling to come out from the shell. Coming out from the shell. This one is completely out. This one looks like came out of the shell. It's trying to get separated. Oh, just fell on the floor still. Trying to get this wing straight. There's another one. Just came out of the shell. There's another one. Just came out from the shell. And there's, they're really light compared to this. Seems like already dried out and changed the colors. So you have like millions of them. Like here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 5, 6. Those are brand new. 7. This one is still upside down trying to get 8. This is just got out of the ground. I'm trying to climb. I'm talking about this one. The deck is covered. It's like infestation. The shells are everywhere. It's ridiculous. Like you look everywhere, there's cicadas moving, cicada shells. They're everywhere, everywhere. It's like, look at this. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, look at this beauty. Still trying to climb out. Look at this beauty. Trying to climb out. Look at this beauty. Just came out. Isn't it gorgeous? Red eyes. Enjoy the view.